I remember him as if it were yesterday. He came slowly to the door of the Admiral Benbow in Treasure Island. نزیکترین فیلمی دوبلاژ کراوی کوردی بۆ کتێبەکەی قوتابیانی پۆلی 12 بە زاراوی سۆرانی هەروەها بادینی. Treasure Island Episode 1 خەلەکەیەکێ بەشەیەکێ. The old sailor comes to the He was a strong, heavy man. I see what you want. And he threw down 3 or 4 gold coins. Oh, scoundrel. The captain jumped to his... Here comes my bill. Me and you will just get behind the door. But he sword. Captain! My poor father died quite suddenly that evening. All of the neighbors came to visit and there was a lot of to arrange. What does the doctor know about life at sea? I have lived on them, I tell you. The doctor himself said that 1 glass wouldn't hurt me. I will give you a golden guinea for some gin. No! The captain cried.
I can't do that.
I was Flint's first mate, and I am the only one that knows the place. But what's the black spot? I asked. Sit where you are. Pew. Help us, Mother! We heard a whistle coming from the direction of the village. The man said, Kirk has blown the whistle. That means he has seen someone coming. Hugh started trying to hit the man with his stick. Let us leave. Yeah. Thrown open and... no. Alright. But when we do get them, what will we do to them? Asked Dick. Walk behind us. The gun! Doctor! Squire! Captain! That is better now. After drinking, now Israel was stronger.
Now, Jim, you have come to visit us. That is nice.
The ship. At every step, it has been you who saved our lives. We won't let you lose yours. Then we looked for the tall tree marked on the map where the treasure lay buried. They now walked faster, and Silver was full of excitement. I knew that all Silver wanted was the treasure and to get away from the island, and that he would kill anyone who stood in his way. As we came near the great tree, the man began to run, selling many different types of colorful food. Watching a center in Acre and the Hall. ببورن خوێنکارانی خۆشەویست. چونکە مافی فیلم کارتنەکە پارێزراوە. لینکی داونلودکردن لە بایۆ ئینستاگرامەکەماندا دەتوانی بدۆزیەوە. هەروەها توانی زۆر شتی تریش ببینی دەربارەی ئینگلیزی پۆلی 12 لە ئینستاگرامەکەماندا لە یوتیوب و لە تێلێگرام. تێبینی ئەم فیلمە قوتابی توانی بەکاری بینێ کاتی دەرفەت نەبێ بۆ ئەوەی مڕاجعە بکات بۆ ویزاری لە 2 کاتژمێر و نیودا ئەتوانێت چیرۆکە هەمووی تەواو کات.